Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a beautiful cranberry smoky eye. I feel like this look is perfect for the holidays and it's what I wore for Christmas, so let's jump right in. I started with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Eyeshadow Primer to prime my lids, then taking my Maybelline concealer to conceal any discoloration and veins on my eyelids, and then I'm going to set all of that with my Maybelline Loose Setting Powder. And then taking my Tartlette In Bloom eyeshadow palette, I'm taking Jet Setter on a big fluffy brush and applying that to my crease. And then taking Sweetheart on a little bit smaller fluffy brush, and I'm applying that to the outer corner of my eye and blending it into my crease. And then taking Rebel on the same small blending brush, I'm going to do the same thing and apply this to the outer part of my eye and blend it up into my crease. And then taking Leader on a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm packing this on the outer part of my eye and blending it in with the crease color. And then taking the matte white shade Charmer, I'm going to apply that to the inner part of my eye. And then taking my Maybelline Master Precise Eyeliner, I'm going to do a wing off camera and come back and start my face. I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin to prime my face, and then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation and my Beauty Blender to blend that in. And then taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, I'm applying that underneath my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. And then taking the Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder, I'm setting underneath my eyes and everywhere else that I put concealer. And then taking the NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Medium, I'm going to bronze up my face. I think this product is definitely a dupe for the Benefit Hoola bronzer. It's the exact same shade and color, and you can't beat the price. And then taking this Wet n Wild blush that I picked up the other day, I'm going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks. And then taking the Benefit High Beam Liquid Highlighter, I'm applying a little bit to my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, and then applying that to my cheeks. And then I'm going over that with my favorite Becca Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Opal. And then I'm going to apply the Ardell Faux Mink lashes off camera, and I also did my eyebrows with the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara. And then using the same shades that I used on the top of my lids, I'm using those underneath my eyes. So I'm starting with the lighter shades and then focusing the darker shades on the outer part of my eye. And then taking this Wet n Wild mascara, I'm gonna blend my natural lashes into the fake lashes. Here I'm taking the same white shadow that we put on our lids. I'm using that in my inner corner, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. And then taking the Clinique Chubby Stick Lip Color Balm in the shade Plushiest Punch, I'm gonna apply that to my lips, and then I'm gonna go over it with the Clinique Lipstick in the shade Nude Pop. And then I'm taking the e.l.f. matte setting spray to set my makeup, and I'm going to go over that with my Tacha Luminous setting spray just to give me a nice little glow. Alright guys, here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for weekly videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!